Hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. I'm Deanna. Today I am like so excited because my Colourpop The Child palette came in. Look at the little baby Yoda. He is just so cute. Look at the little face. But anyways, I just love baby Yoda, so this is gonna be kind of like a little review and some swatches, and I will do one eye for you at the end of the video, and so it's gonna be kind of a quick little video, so let's get to it. As you can already tell, I'm like so excited for this. Like, I love him so much. Just look how cute he is. So I really like this little packaging that it comes in. It's like this soft textured palette, but I love that it's raised for like the little details on the packaging. Just like, look how cute he is. He's just so cute. And then on the back of the palette as well, it does say the names for all the eyeshadows. So let's go ahead and take him out of the box. And I did buy 2 of these because I just love him. So this is what the palette looks like. Super cute. Absolutely love all these colors. Love these greens. I will be inserting some swatches right here. So let's talk about these names. So we've got Precious Cargo, Right Hand Mondo. I've got Just Like a Tatooine, Sipping Soup, Babyface, The Force, Little Frog, Float Your Crib, and Droid Protection. Oh, Droid Protocol, if I can read today. Oh my gosh, just look how cute. This is the little cutest in the galaxy. Oh yes, he is the cutest in the galaxy. So I did want to talk a little bit about this palette since I did get it and I've already used it. This is the one I'm gonna keep for just show because it's just so cute. And that's why I didn't want to dip into it yet in this one specifically. I am currently wearing Just Like a Tatooine, Right Hand Mondo, Precious Cargo, Sipping Soup, and The Force all on my eyes right now. These are amazing. Like, this is my first Colourpop palette, to be honest, and I was kind of like, I mean, I've heard really good things about these eyeshadows, but I'm really amazed at how well these performed. And I mean, really performed well. These like glitter shimmers all are very like, have this nice like slip texture to them. There is one metallic shade in here, which is the Little Frog, which is pretty much like a matte shadow with some glitters on top of it. If you blend out it too much, the glitters will go away. So do keep that in mind when using the Little Frog. These mattes even have like a buttery, silky texture to them, which is like, I've only felt that in a few palettes before, but really enjoyed it. Definitely blend, like it definitely was like really easy to blend, which I like really loved for this. So I would highly recommend this palette. I do think it is sold out on their website right now, but I do think you can put your email in for when it is back in stock. So I would highly recommend this cute little baby Yoda palette. He's just so cute and I love him so much. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get on to the eyeshadow look. And for the rest of the video, I'm gonna be using the Child eyeshadow palette to create a little look for you. And yeah, so let's get to it. Alrighty, and because there's not like a kind of like a nude color in the palette, which is totally fine, I'm just gonna use one of my snap shadows and just highlight my brow bone and the outside of my eye just a little bit on both sides. And I did prime my eyes with my MAC 24-Hour Prep and Prime. Alrighty, so now that I've got that done, I'm gonna go ahead and dive into the little baby Yoda palette. He is so cute. I just love this. It's just so cute. Literally the cutest in the galaxy. I think yes. I'm literally obsessed. Like, look at this cute little mug. My roommate, well, I guess my old roommate, James, he got me this little mug. I love him. Look at him. Love him. And I've actually started a small baby Yoda collection. Just small, but I've started one. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and dive into Just Like a Tatooine, and I'm going to put that in my crease. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. And I'm actually going to go back into Just Like a Tatooine and put that on my outer corner of my eye as well. Just very lightly. So now I'm going to take some NYX glitter glue and put that all over my eyelid, and I'll be right back. Alright, so now I'm going to go into Sipping Soup right here in the middle, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Wow, this is beautiful. Really nice color payoff. And then I'm gonna go back into Just Like a Tatooine and just kind of tap it on this outer side. And then I'm gonna slightly just kind of buff right on the edge between the Sipping Soup and then Just Like a Tatooine, just to try to get these colors to blend. Alrighty, and I like that blend on that, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my inner corner, which I'm going to take kind of this like pointy brush, and I'm gonna go into right hand Mondo, and I'm gonna put this right on my inner corner. I'm just gonna kind of take a big fluffy brush and just kind of blend and buff that out a little bit. I'm gonna take kind of this like square liner brush, and I'm gonna dip into the Force, and I'm gonna put that on my under eye. A lot of shimmer with this look, but I kind of wanted to use all these colors, so. And I feel like they all go together very well. And I can think of a couple different ways I could redo this look and change up the colors, or change up how I used it. And I'll take the fluffy brush and just kind of buff my under eyes. I am going to work, so I'm only doing my eyes today. I'll probably put a little bit of like face primer on, but that's about it. Alrighty, I really like this. I'm just gonna kind of do a little swirling out here just to blend a little bit. Alright, I think I'm gonna add just a little bit more of the Force. And then I'll take the fluffy brush again. I think I'm just gonna add just a little bit more of the right hand Mondo into the inner corner as well. Just kind of spruce it up. And I think I'm gonna kind of just take it kind of up. Just lightly following that Sipping Soup. Cute. And I'm just gonna kind of use this brush to blend it. And I'm just gonna tap a little bit more of the Sipping Soup on my lid. And also help blend that edge out a little bit as well. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so this does complete today's video. Please comment below if you did notice I was wearing a Baby Yoda sweatshirt. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!